Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Marcus and today in this video I will share with you how to design and animate this kinetic typography using Adobe After Effects. So let's go. Create something awesome. First things first, set up your composition, give it a name. And for the resolution we're going with 1080 by 1080 pixels, 30 frames per second and a 10-second duration. Once it's set, hit OK. Now let's get that background ready. Right click in the timeline, select New, then Solid. Set it to pure black and press OK. Next, grab the text tool and write something cool that fills up the composition. Once that's done, select both the black solid and the text layer, then right click and hit Pre-compose. Name it whatever you like, and check Open New Composition so you can jump right in. Now, inside the new composition, let's use the Region of Interest tool to draw a rectangle around our text. Then go to the top menu, Composition, and select Crop Comp to Region of Interest to give our comp this rectangular aspect ratio. Back in the main comp, we'll need a new background since the original got moved into the pre-comp. Right click and create another solid. But let's go with a dark gray this time. Once it's in, lock that layer down to keep everything in place. Here's where the magic happens. Select the pre-comp and go to Effects, Stylize Motion Tile. Instead of fussing with keyframes, we're using a simple expression to loop the motion. This expression handles the number of loops smoothly, making it way easier than manual keyframing. Now that you've got smooth motion, let's give it some color. Let's add a tint effect to the pre-comp. This effect will let you easily change or even invert the colors for a sleek, dynamic look. Next, duplicate the pre-comp a few times and start experimenting with position, rotation and scale. Try different color variations or invert them for a super monochromatic design. Before wrapping up, let's add one final touch. Create an adjustment layer, then go to Effects, Distort, CC Lens. Set the size to 200 and then converge to 100. This new effect will give your design a cool distortion effect that really brings it to life. And there you have it. Your kinetic-type masterpiece is ready to render and share with the world, and show off your creativity. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.